Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to convert SPayLater to GCash. Now, in order for us to get this done, the first thing that you are going to do is find the QR code of that merchant. So you're going to go to your nearest store or nearest merchant, and then you're going to ask if they are doing cash outs. If they do so, then you are going to go ahead and ask for their GCash merchant QR code. Now, from this point forward, you're just going to go ahead and tap the home button, and then you're going to tap this one right here. So this is the scan QR code, and then you're going to ask to scan their QR code. So I'm going to do that right now. All right, after scanning, you should be able to see something like this. Now, the next thing that you are going to do is to enter the pay amount. So say, for example, if I want to enter about 500, just like so, I can just go ahead and click the next button. Now from here, you have two options. You have the wallet balance and the SPayLater. So in my case, I have here the SPayLater. As you can see, I can just go ahead and hit the pay now button right now, and you should see that this is going to work. So yep, that is basically how you're going to convert SPayLater to GCash.